On today's video, just fix some stuff. Some stuff breaks, and then I fix that stuff. And yeah, enjoy. Maybe, I don't know. Finding a fuel tank that was in good condition proved to be pretty hard as well. New ones are only available in Japan, so I spent the week cleaning this one out. Hopefully it's not too bad inside now. It does look a lot better. And I've just blasted some araldite on the holes for now. Give it a bit of a black paint so it looks alright for the meantime. And I'll order a new tank from Japan, and when that comes, happy days. But hopefully this will get me by for now. New fuel pump going in. I had a lot of trouble with the floats sticking on these FCRs as well when they've been standing for a while with no fuel in. So yeah, I've removed the whatever they're called, float seats, and I've got a new set to go in, so I'm fitting them now. But yeah, as you can see, pretty horrible, due for a change. And this is the new kit that I ordered. So fingers crossed, the enemy troubles with the floats getting stuck. So I'll fit those and see how we go. 4 new seats pressed in. They look a bit better. And hopefully they'll work out and I won't have the sticking floats anymore. So fingers crossed. Time to rebuild them back up now. Body kit's fully fitted now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Ultimately, yeah, I want to get the car painted one colour, obviously. But for the meantime, it'll have to do. But overall, pretty happy with the look. I might go to the stock rear bumper just to keep the weight of the kit where I want it, I suppose, if that makes any sense. But overall, I think it's pretty cool, and it is the look I was going after. And again, long term, I would like to go back to Goodline or RunFree front arches and stock rears. That is the goal ultimately, but for now, I think the J-Blood Origin style overs do actually fit pretty well with the kit. So yeah, happy. Let me know what you think. After messing with the carbs, I went for another drive, did some shitty donuts, of which I'll insert a clip so you can, really enjoy those average efforts. But when I got back, I noticed that this had fallen out of the exhaust, which is ideal. So yeah, got a new exhaust fitted. Went to start it up again the day after that, and yeah, you might notice something's missing. Yep, carbs are off again. Did the usual bit of cleaning and blowing out that normally gets it going again after the dirty tank, but it wasn't that. The carbs were quite clean, but you wouldn't go. So I've stripped them all down and going to put them in an ultrasonic bath. But I think it's things like that gasket aren't helping. That's all sort of just mushed into one mess, and that is the low speed fuel circuit there that's sort of turned into one solid piece of gasket. So that can't be helping, so I'm hoping that's the root cause. So there we are, all stripped. Gonna clean them all, then I've just got to remember how to put them back together. So yeah, carbs are stripped, been through the bath about 10 times, blown out with air lines, they're as clean as I can get them. I've checked the leak valves are working. So yeah, I'm going to fit the new gasket kit, which you can see there, and yes, assemble the kit back together and hope it all works. Fingers crossed. That looks much better. New gasket lives under there, whatever that is, and you can access that by just removing those 2.5mm bolts at the bottom. Then it's just the main body gasket and a couple of extra O-rings and a couple in there too. That's the accelerator pump nozzle. That's pressed in and hopefully pointing in the right direction. So now I can put the mid body and main body together. From the factory, the carbs are basically sealed together with what looks like araldite. Took ages to get them separated and, you know, pack all of the debris off. So I've gone with a bit of blue Loctite. Finally, back together. Well, the main bodies are back together. There's still loads more bits to fit. I'll fit the slides next. For some reason that top wheel there always falls off, but the rest are attached. Doesn't really make much sense. Well, hey ho. Pow. Slide in. You can see it just clips into the top and lets it slide up and down. Kind of skipped a few steps there, and as if by magic they're back on the car. But yeah, after I put the slides in, it's just a case of building back up then, all the jets, the bowls, and yeah, put the needles in, etc. So we'll give it a try in a minute. Hopefully we'll have some luck. So yeah, question is, will it start? Much better, straight off the key. Happy with that, hopefully it carries on running. Fingers crossed.